finally, we're going to get to the super unscientific speed test between the Google Pixel 3a XL and the iPhone XR. Now, if you want to see my impressions of the Google Pixel 3a upon unboxing it, or if you want to see a full review of the iPhone XR, I'll be sure to leave links in the description below, as well as a card right here for you to check it out after the video. So without further ado, let's get it on. Alright, so as you can see, none of the apps are open as to clutter the RAM, and all of the apps that we're going to be using are going to go in order. Now, once again, this is not going to be a super scientific test, but more so like a real world usage of it. And stick around to the end because you might be surprised by the results. But anyways, let's start off with YouTube. So although the iPhone XR feels smoother overall, the Pixel 3a XL is definitely snappier, and as you guys saw, it loaded YouTube quicker. You know what, actually, this video really speaks for itself, so I'm not going to talk too much anymore, and I'm just going to let you see the results for yourself. But real quick, before I stop talking, let me know if you guys would be interested in a camera test. I would love to go out and shoot those. I love shooting videos like that, so let me know. Alright, now, for real, I'll leave you alone. Alright, and lastly, let's test some native apps. We'll start with the store and then do maps, because I'm out of ideas. So that's it. What do you think? At that price difference, is the iPhone XR worth the extra money? Let me know in the comment below. As always, it's been Dop. Thanks for watching.